You know what your lips and tongue have to do to make your sound. You're able to say your sound by itself and in syllables. So now you're walking down the mountain and you're ready to practice it in words and maybe sentences. If you're working at the word level, I'll say the word first, then you say it right after me. Don't rush and make sure to say your sound correctly. If you're ready to practice your word in sentences, I'll say the word first, then you can pause the video and make a sentence using the word. Then push play for your next word. Use this scale to think about how you're doing with your sound, and talk about it with someone in your house. You can even have someone record you so you can hear yourself making your sound in words and sentences. Keep up the good work. You're getting closer to being able to make your sound correctly all the time and getting off the mountain. Snow, smell, star, space, school, skeleton, slide, snail, spaghetti, spider, stop, sleep, slow, skin, swim, small, scar, snacks, stinky, swing, smile, stove, smart, sweet.